hear the difference between all of the standard Gate-All-Around optical switches. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and send this to a friend so they can